Yeah, I'm about ready for spring. Take a look at this picture and tell me what's wrong. Do you see that trampoline in front of the solar panel array? Thankfully, no shading, no effect, except, when tornado season comes and that thing blows into my array. Alright guys, I just wanted to kind of take you around my backyard here and show you something really cool. It's colder than you-know-what this morning, and this little pond froze over, and I took some pictures and stills of this iced over pond. It's really pretty cool. I also threw in a little bonus video at the end of my progress on these ammo can speaker boxes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.